Good morning, children. Today we are going to study math of chapter 1, which is related to revision of previous classes. First of all, you have to revise the previous chapter in class 4. Here, some problems related to previous classes. You have to question 1. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. As A 37986. You have to enlarge this number 37,986. Here 3 10,000 plus 7 7,000 plus 900 plus 810 plus 6 1. It is your enlargement of the given number 3 10,000 7,900 8 tens and 6 ones. Question 2. Write the given number in words. Write the following in words. As a in words as Indian and international. You have to write the given number in words in system of Indian and international. यानी इंडियन और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में इसको हमें शब्दों में क्या करना है, लिखना है. 58643712 58643712 इंडियन में इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? 5 करोड़ 86 5 करोड़ 80 5 करोड़ 86 लाख 5 करोड़ 86 लाख 43,000 and 712. In international system, it can be written as 58 million 600 643, 643,000, and 712. 712. Next question. You have to complete the pattern A 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and it is your 30, 35, 40. Next question. You have to find the result of find 3400 divided by 100. This is your 100 3400 300 400 400. So your result is equal to 34. Find the factor of 32. Find the factor of 32. 32 का फैक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर ऑफ 32. What is the factor? First is 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8, 32. It is your factor. 1, 2, 4, 8, 32. Next question, HCF of 16, 12 and 28. HCF of 16, 12 and 38. 16, 12 and 38. No, 28. It is your 28. What is the HCF? It is clear that 4 is 16 equal to 4 into 4, 12 equal to 4 into 3, and 28 equal to 4 into 7. So 4 is common in all the given three numbers, 16, 12 and 28. So HCF is 4. Next, you have to write the given number in ascending order. Question A, 4 to 8 to 36941500 15007 and 13000. There are 5 numbers. You have to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending मतलब बढ़ते हुए क्रम में. It means सबसे पहले smallest number होगा. Which is the smallest number? Here 3694 is the smallest number, and after it 4282 is next one, and next is 15,000, next 7 and last. So it is using ascending order. Ascending order. It is your ascending order numbers, and you can write it as 13000 15007 15000 4282 3694 as a descending order. Descending order. So you can arrange both in ascending and descending order arrangement. कोई भी नंबर दिया हुआ हो 4 और 5 नंबर, उसको हम असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का जस्ट अपोजिट डिसेंडिंग होगा और डिसेंडिंग का अपोजिट असेंडिंग होगा. नेक्स्ट you have to find the predecessor of 5-digit number. Write the place value of the underlined digit. जो डिजिट दिया हुआ है उसका प्लेस वैल्यू निकालना है. 42729 42729. Here place value of 2 be 10. प्लेस वैल्यू कितना होगा? 10. Convert into meter. Number there are some unit, you have to convert it into another unit. जैसे मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, डेसीमीटर ये सब पढ़ चुके हो. अब इसमें you have to convert into meter. You have to convert into meter. 618 सेंटीमीटर. 618 सेंटीमीटर में कितना मीटर? 618 by 100 मीटर इक्वल टू 6.18 मीटर. तो जो फार्मूला याद है, जो आइडिया याद है, जो तुम्हारा सिस्टम याद है, उसके आधार पे हम किसी भी यूनिट को अनदर यूनिट में हम कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू फाइंड perimeter. Ria got 100 marks of mathematics, 75 marks in English and 50 marks in Hindi. Use a box to represent 25 marks and show her marks in our pictogram. Next, find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are given along with. एक ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है, ट्रायंगल का साइड का मेजरमेंट तुमको दिया हुआ है. यू हैव टू फाइंड द total perimeter of given triangle. First side is 7 centimeter, second side is 9 centimeter, and third side is 11 centimeter. So perimeter equal to 7 centimeter plus 9 centimeter plus 11 centimeter. That is equal to 27 centimeter. It is your answer. So total perimeter equal to 27 centimeter. Solve the following question. Solve the following. Question A. The price of 80 chair is 80 chairs is for rupees 5600. Find the price of one chair. 80 चेयर का प्राइस कितना है 5600 यानी 5600. You have to find the price of one chair. Therefore one chair अधिक हो गया या कम? one chair का कम. So कम के लिए for less value you have to divide. Rupees 5600 by 80. That is equal to 70. It is equal to rupees 70. So one chair has cost 70 rupees. This is your answer. Next question. A Volvo bus covers 1360 km in 17 hours. 17 hours में वो कितना किलोमीटर कवर कर रहा है 1360 किलोमीटर. तो 1 आवर में कितना कवर करेगा 1 आवर में कम करेगा लेस than 1360 kilometer, so it be divide. That is 80 kilometer. And what is the value of distance in kilometer for 32 hours? Therefore in 32 hours it can be 32 into 80 kilometers. That is in 32 hours it can be covered a distance of 2560 kilometers. All these questions are in your previous classes, so you just revise it to complete it. Next question. Question is short. 634 minus 412. It can be solved as 6 4 24 plus 2 plus 3 27 by 4 minus 4 and 1 by 2 that is equal to 9 by 2. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. It is your 27 and it is 18. That is equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4. So you can solve all the questions easily because all of them are studied in previous classes. Thank you.